Good day, teachers and students. This is the perfect time of year to Marie Kondo your Google Drive and get it ready to use for the next school year. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 single key shortcuts that will make that job go much more quickly. So here we are in my Google Drive. You're probably already aware that there are 2 views in Drive. There is the list view, and this is the grid view, and the list view. And you can switch back and forth between those views with a single key. And that key is the V key, V standing for view. So right now I am doing nothing other than clicking that V key. Depending on what you're looking for and your need to see that thumbnail image, one view might be preferable over the other. If you're reorganizing folders and files, that often means you're going to want to rename some. So there's a single key for that shortcut, and it is the N key for the word name. All you need to do is select the file, click the N key on your keyboard, and it'll immediately open up that box to type the new name in. Normally when you rename things, you might go to the 3 dots and then click rename, and then that box comes open. So this will save you just a few clicks. Finally, there's a way to preview a file with just one key. For this one, you just select the file and click the P key, P being for preview, and that is going to let you glimpse inside that file. And this is a way that you can just take a quick peek inside of something without having to actually fully open it up and launch a new tab. And that'll help you decide whether you want to keep something or move it into an old file or throw it out. Here's a bonus tip for today. Hold the Control key down or the Command key on a Mac while you're selecting files, and that will let you select files, even ones that are non-contiguous, simultaneously, and then you can all at once just drag them over and drop them into the file that you want them to go into. When you have some files selected, Drive's giving you some new options right up here. Here you can see that I have 4 selected. I can share, download, move, which is a new choice, or send those to the trash can. Our other option is to drag and drop. Have a great day filled with love and learning, and if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.